A customer logs into their bank app on a Sunday to refinance their mortgage. In a traditional system, that request grinds to a halt. It sits idle until Monday morning, when a human processor picks it up, emails a request for documents, and kicks off a 2-week waiting game. That slow, manual pipeline is a severe liability. Retail banks are fighting shrinking profit margins and aggressive, digital-first neobanks. They can no longer afford to let customer requests sit in an inbox for days. Generative AI and standard chatbots only offer a partial fix. They can answer a prompt or draft an email, but they are strictly reactive tools. They stop working the moment they provide an answer, leaving the rest of the workflow entirely untouched. By 2026, a different architecture takes over. An AI receives that Sunday night message and immediately pulls the customer's credit history. It scans their income statements, cross-references live rates from 12 different lenders, and delivers a complete, ready-to-sign proposal in under 4 minutes. No human intervention required. Agentic AI shifts the system's role from advisor to executor, taking direct action on financial decisions that previously required a human signature. Financial institutions run on immense volumes of structured data, transaction logs, credit files, and regulatory codes. Because the workflows handling this data rely on strict, measurable rules, banking is the ideal environment for autonomous systems to operate. This diagram shows a standard loan processing workflow. Between every discrete step, from identity verification to risk assessment, there is a manual choke point where a human must review the file before passing it to the next desk. An autonomous agent bypasses that linear chain. Instead of waiting for step-by-step instructions, it receives a single objective. It then formulates its own multi-step plan to achieve that goal. From there, the system makes policy-aligned decisions in real time. Upon detecting fraud, the agent immediately freezes the account, updates the ledger, and issues a compliance report, without waiting for human approval. The capital flowing into this architecture is massive. By 2027, projected industry investment in AI will reach $97 billion. Replacing sequential human tasks with parallel, autonomous actions strips days of waiting out of the system. It aggressively lowers the operational costs of retail banking while accelerating the speed of transactions. These systems are already live in high-stakes environments. JP Chase deployed an agentic architecture known as Law, built specifically to handle complex legal contracts. Law operates by dispatching multiple specialized agents at the same time. While one agent scans a custody contract for risk clauses, a second agent simultaneously cross-references those clauses against current regulations, and a third drafts the summary memo. This parallel processing model achieves 92.9% accuracy on legal queries. A review process that used to cost a team of lawyers days of billable hours now finishes in minutes. The impact is just as severe in investment banking. Building a standard credit memo usually demands 5 to 10 hours of manual data gathering, cross-referencing company financials, and formatting peer benchmarks, a process traditionally offloaded to junior analysts. Financial consultancy Capco deployed an agentic assistant at a major bank to take over this exact task. The agent autonomously pulls the required market data, formats it to house standards, and generates a complete draft in a fraction of the time. Major payment networks like MasterCard and Visa are taking this logic directly to consumers through live experiments in agentic commerce. Under this model, the AI locates a flight to New York, uses stored credentials to purchase the ticket, and monitors pricing until departure, autonomously rebooking the seat if the fare drops by 10%. Whether managing legal contracts, drafting investment memos, or executing consumer payments, these deployments show autonomous systems systematically replacing manual, repetitive workflows across the financial sector. Despite the rush, 99% of companies plan to deploy AI agents, yet only 11% have pushed them into live production. This diagram illustrates why. An agent requires deep integration across a bank's CRM, its core ledger, and its compliance tools. Every new connection expands the cybersecurity attack surface. In a highly interconnected network, an agent developing an unexpected internal objective is dangerous. A misconfigured AI with access to live capital can trigger infinite feedback loops, initiating thousands of unintended, cascading transactions before a human can pull the plug. Regulators like the SEC in the US and the FCA in the UK recognize this threat. They demand strict model risk management, requiring that every autonomous decision, like denying a mortgage, leaves a clear, traceable, human-auditable trail. The extreme systemic risk of unleashing autonomous actors into global financial networks has replaced technological capability as the industry's primary bottleneck. This transition directly eliminates the need for routine, structured data entry. The roles built around manual document processing and basic report generation are rapidly becoming obsolete. But managing these vast, complex networks requires a new class of professional. Banks are actively hiring for the RQuant, or Reasoning Quantitative Analyst. Instead of building traditional financial models, the RQuant orchestrates multi-agent workflows. They decide which data feeds to connect, how to sequence parallel tasks, and how to enforce strict AI governance protocols. At the same time, traditional senior analysts are freed from the 10-hour grind of data gathering. They can dedicate their time exclusively to strategic interpretation, judgment calls, and high-level client relationship management. The value of a human worker is shifting from gathering data to directing the systems that process it. The future of finance belongs to the professionals who master the architecture.